In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change security question in IDBI net banking. So in order to change it, you need to have your actual IDBI app ready or visit any branch. So you can have internet banking or a banking app ready for this case. You can also open a new account online and advise those that need to know what your new account number is, like employer, any companies that you have set up direct debits. As soon as your employer advises that they have your new account set up with payroll and anywhere else that deposits funds into your account, get your old account closed. So on that case, because security question is actually tied to your account and cannot be changed, so when you're setting it up, you need to make sure that you have all of the information necessary for it. You can answer it as usual because there's no way of changing it anymore. Usually, security questions are personal enough so only you can know them, like who's your grade school teacher, just like that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.